Hello, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a lifetime. Your girl's inconsistent on YouTubes and things, but it's fine because we're working it out today. Now, the lovely people at N2 Makeup had reached out to me and I have received a gift from them. Now, as of late, I have been trying to get a little more organized, try to find means of getting more organized and like sorting things out. Clutter is the worst habit that I have, and it's really ironic because whenever I'm like surrounded in chaos, I can't get things done. I have to like maneuver around it in order to keep things moving, you know? So yeah, I want to work on that. And coincidentally, they reached out to me. So when you ask the universe, it does listen and it does give. So you just have to heed those opportunities. Take them. Anyway, so they reached out to me. They asked me if I wanted to try one of their products. They specialize in makeup holders and things of that nature on their Amazon store. So I was like, you know what? I'm already on Prime, so why not? I decided to try their acrylic spinning carousel holder. Now, in my mind, when I think acrylic cases and organizers, I'm thinking it's gonna be dainty. This is gonna be like cute. I could like fit in my drawer and just like slide it in there. I have all my lipsticks and things like that, and it's just all laid out and it looks like a bento box. Something, you know what I mean? But I don't think I was prepared for the amount of luxury that was gonna come along with such an item, such a product. Let me pull up the page. Dun, 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 dun. I have like the Mario Kart song stuck in my head. So this spinning acrylic makeup organizer holds 72 lipsticks. Now I have a vast collection of lip products. That's probably the #1 product I own when it comes to makeup. How many is too many? I probably have too many. Considering I don't use them nearly enough to even warrant me having as many as I do, and fact of the matter is I need to just go through them and probably toss more than half of them. 75% of them, at least. It'd be nice to at least have something to hold all the good ones, right? So it's in my face and I can actually like use them and not just like dig through a drawer full of lip products. It holds 72 lipsticks. It has brush compartments, 2 brush compartments, like 2. This is all in one, and it holds 16 compactor cases. Hey, do I even have 16 compacts? Anyway, and it's clear, it's crisp looking, it's just, it spins. You can just push that shit, it twirls. It twirls. 12 for me. 12, is that Tadrick? 12 for me, 12 for me, 12. Anyway, upon arrival, once I opened this, I anticipated it being like this really heavy duty situation. One thing that stresses me out about Amazon is they'll be putting boxes inside of boxes for no damn reason, and I'm like, can y'all help out the environment just a little bit? Like, please tell me that you are using some like reusable cardboards, like y'all have recycled the cardboards that y'all keep giving out, because this seems a little unnecessary if you ask me. That's if you ask me. I'm not worth no trillions of dollars or something, but you know, whatever. But I am true. I will be worth trillions. As I splash my Zara earrings. I thought it was going to be very heavy. I thought it was going to be, actually I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than what it is. And now that I think about it, I'm like, when you read all the descriptive qualities about it out loud, it makes sense for it to be the size that it is. But come on, let's look up these young dimensions, shall we? 9.8 by 5.1 by 13 inches. That's the height, the length, and the depth. The width. I need to go back to school. So, and it is almost 5 pounds. I'm gonna tell you something right now. The moment I took it out the box, all I could think of was, wow, this is decadence. This is what it looks like to have your together. This is what it looks like to say, listen, yes, I own things. Yes, I have my own funds. Yes, I have my own bag. Yes, I want to spend it on myself. Yes, I do enjoy luxurious products. And yes, I will use them to my leisure as I may, and I will do so. That's exactly how I felt once I took it out of the box. This case, it's I was very excited when I got it because I was like, I got, like I said, mad lipstick products, and I really could use better storage for that. I'm currently using mason jars as storage as opposed to anything that's kind of remotely a makeup holder situation. So I'm like, this is perfect opportunity for me to get everything together. Once I went to set it up and like, because I wanted to shoot it first and like make it all clean and cute before I got all my fingerprints and started really using it and getting all grimy, because you know that's what happens when you start using things regularly in your routine in life. I noticed that the lipstick holders fit, and it's my fault because I didn't do this research correctly. Like I should have like looked. Excuse me. They only fit like normal lipstick size things, and that's if you're somebody who is partially OCD like myself or extremely OCD. So this probably wouldn't help you either, or it would help you because this is, in my opinion, some solid advice. It only fits normal size lipsticks perfectly and seamlessly, to the point where it's like, oh, I feel like this is at a storefront. Like, I own these items. These are mine. These are not testers. Yeah, that's the only downside, considering 99% of my lipsticks that I was trying to place in there are too big. Like, they're too long. They're all liquid lipstick. So if you have like a liquid lipstick type of situation, any of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, any of the Kat Von D, any of the hold on, I'm still throwing them in there anyway because it's storage. Use what you got. Don't be ungrateful. Don't say I ain't using that because it doesn't. No, make it work. Make it work. Anyway. Sorry, that was my little rant. So we have, I'm currently wearing this vinyl lip by Glossier in the color, Bank. Big tango, hey, big. Okay, but anything this size, anything like that, nah, son, that's not gonna fit. If you got a MAC lipstick, perfect size, looks beautiful. Highly recommend. Like I said, I'm still gonna make it work. I'm still gonna use it. It works for me. I don't care if it's poking out just a little bit. We're just finessing it, and I don't mind. I love how much space that it has as far as holding all of my brushes. And I got a lot of brushes. I got like a decent amount of brushes. Okay, the amount of brushes that I have, it's a lot. It's a lot. And I almost don't have any more room left for the brushes if I do add any more brushes, unless they're small ones. So, and it's sad because I want to buy the Fenty ones next. But otherwise, it takes up a little bit more space on my little vanity setup that I currently have. It's next to me. That's why I keep like looking in this direction to kind of tell you. I would show you what it looks like, but you'll see in the not too distant future. I promise you, I'm gonna post so many things so soon, guys. I promise. We're gonna make it happen. So you'll see that I'm not the cleanest person as far as my immediate living situation. I am as far as hygiene. I am as far as workplace. I am as far as anything that is not my bedroom. And even then, I know people who are much worse. And I noticed too, a lot of people, they wouldn't have such nice reputations as far as like cleanliness is concerned if they didn't have the space that they have. And by the space, I mean like the vast amount of space, like the walking room, like that you could do laps. But there's just so many things and so many places to put things that you don't look like a hoarder. It's the people like me. Okay, so point is, takes up just a little bit of space, a little bit more than I thought it was going to take, but it's still fine. I need to get the rest of my things together anyway. I want to get more. It's just, it makes me want to get more things organized and have a place for everything rather than just kind of setting it here and there and just moving all of my life. But it spins around seamlessly. I legit feel like I am the beauty store owner. Okay, you just came up to the counter and you're looking at the lipsticks that are on sale, them LA girls, you know what I mean? But it's right here and it makes my life so much easier. Like, I'm so grateful. So thank you so much to N2 Makeup for reaching out to me and sponsoring this, because you just helped me out a lot. And frankly, I just did my makeup using this and I'm like, oops, I'm just twirling and spinning and twirling and spinning. I can't wait to off my nails. And I'm just like, it'll be better with other nails. You know what I mean? Okay, so that was that. I'm really feeling myself right now, as you can tell. So I'm gonna go sit down. I'll link the little spinny carousel in the description bar below. And let me see. They also, hold on. Ooh, child. Ooh, chile. They also have another makeup brush holder that has 6 slots, and that holds a ton of brushes. And 8 slots. Oh, yeah, hold on. Let me talk about my compact section for a second, because I didn't get into that before I sign off. The compact section I currently use to hold all of my Fenty highlighters. 3.5, and when I say half, it's a travel size ditty, so there's that. I also have my compact powder in there. I have my Fenty bronzer. I have a little travel size Fenty powder. I have my Fenty concealer. So Fenty one, yeah. A mini travel size Fenty primer, NYC oil drop foundation, and my Jackie Aina highlight. Another bronzer. Like I'm making the space work, and like some lip gloss or chapstick. And then I did fit the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Kat Von D into. So because they didn't fit into the actual lipstick slots, what I did was I put them together. I compacted them together. I just want to like pick this up and show you. I probably shouldn't, but I want to because I'm a Cancer and we make irrational decisions. Impulse decision making. Okay. There she is. Look at her. Yeah. Oh, my Palo Santo. It's fine. So, as you can see, there's compacts, there's things like this. I could easily have just done one of those like cutaways, but I don't feel like it. So you can see all my brushes, you can see all the things I have in here, and the really messed up part is that the part that I wanted to show you initially is on the other side. So let me just carefully twirl it on my thighs. Just carefully twirling it on my thighs. Okay, now, see how the lipsticks are lined up? The Kat Von D and the ABH. See, I did it like that because I can, and like I said, I'm utilizing this space. I don't have time. This is my spaces. It's my spaces. Okay, we Gucci. She's spinning. Oh my god, she's so cute. Okay, so yeah, this has been a nice addition to my makeup family. Thank you so much. And y'all go get yours. If you're trying to, you know, get your life together slowly but surely, any little step, any little improvement that you can make that will add to your happiness or your peace of mind, your well-being, it all matters. It all coincides to the greater goal of let me be the best version of myself. And if the space that I am living in is too distracting for me to actually take care of what I need to take care of, if I'm putting things to the side more than I'm actually tackling them, then you know what? Something's gotta give. I need to do something about it. So go ahead and do something about it. You better get this makeup case. It's not a case, but it's a carousel. See you around, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share this, hit my Instagram up. I don't know why I'm talking like I feel like I'm Nick Cannon. I'm hosting around and out. Let me go. Goodbye.